Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can deactivate your store in Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now to deactivate a store, you do need to be on a paid plan. I myself am on a trial plan, so some things won't line up exactly, but I'll do my best to explain everything with my own words, how it functions and where you need to click and what you need to do to deactivate your store. Now, what you're going to do to deactivate your store, it's actually really easy. You just need to go into settings from your admin dashboard and you go into plan right below general. Once you're here, as you'll see, I have a trial and I have one day remaining on my trial. Then I could go ahead and cancel the trial. Now for standard plans, your plan will appear here and you'll have a deactivate store button right next to it. Once you're there, you just want to click deactivate store and you'll be able to either switch to a different plan, or if you want to deactivate the store 100%, just click deactivate store again. Then you'll be prompted to enter a couple of different things. You'll need to select a reason from a drop-down list of reasons, which are pretty much up to you to decide which reason you have for deactivating it. Once you deactivate that, you can then create a description or an additional comment to deactivate your store, which is useful for Shopify to get feedback from their users on what can change so that they can keep their users as users in the future. But yeah, once you select a reason, all you have to do then is just click deactivate again. It might ask for an additional confirmation. You will need to enter your password for your account just to make sure that you are the account owner. And once you do that, then just click deactivate again and your store will be deactivated. I won't be canceling my trial right now since I do need it for additional videos. But yeah, that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.